Hello and welcome to All-in-One SEO, the best WordPress SEO plugin and toolkit to improve your website search rankings. In this video, I will walk you through how to use the smart tags in All-in-One SEO. If you have not done so already, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell. To use the smart tags in All-in-One SEO, we can do this on the posts or pages. So if we come over to posts and all posts, I have a test post right here. We can click on edit. It'll look the same if you add a new post as well. And here you can see my test post title and then the content that would go here. If you have a long post, you can go all the way to the bottom of your page and you'll find the all-in-one SEO settings. Here under the general settings, you'll see post title and meta description. Right here, you'll see the smart tags that we can use. Now these tags make it easy for you to add information to your titles and descriptions, as well as in other features within the plugin. For example, you can use them to display the title of your post as part of your SEO title, or add the name of the author of your post, or add the current date. To view a list of tags available for a specific field, click on View All Tags, or you can type the hashtag into the field here, and that'll bring up the list as well. So here we can see the full list of each one with a little description under each smart tag that we can use. So the category title, and it's the current or first category title. If we keep coming down, we can see post date, the date when the post was published, localized. And then we could just simply click on one, and you can see the preview in the snippet preview right here, and it added the post date right after. These are also easy to delete, so you can just click in between here and then hit your backspace. So I'll delete the post date. And if you want to search for one, you can click in here, and there's a little search box that you can use to bring up what you want to look for. So again, post year, I'll put that in here, and you can see the preview has added the post year. And again, if you want to delete, just hit your delete or backspace on your keyboard. You can also copy and paste these or cut these if you wish. You just select them all and copy. And I can paste this down here in my meta description. The smart tags make all-in-one SEO extremely versatile, allowing you to create complex titles and descriptions and automate the process of creating titles and descriptions across your whole website. You can even use custom fields in titles and descriptions using our custom fields smart tag. So we can do a quick search here for custom. We have custom field here, and then we can just give this a name, my custom field. And then once you're happy with your snippet preview and that you're done with your smart tags, make sure to update your post. If you have any questions, you can browse our helpful documentation, or if you require further assistance, please feel free to submit a ticket and we would be happy to help.